Hey everyone, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I achieved this everyday easy peasy lemon squeezy makeup look that I did in 20 minutes or less. I'm not sure, but it was really fast. So if you want to know how I achieved this look using drugstore products, just keep watching. Alright, now the only thing left to do is spray our face with some setting spray and we're good to go. Well guys, that's it. Thank you again so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Bye!